Welcome back to a new video. We are here at this beautiful creek. I'm here fishing with my nephew Isaiah. We are gonna try and catch some largemouth bass today. Before we get to that though, I just want to say thanks to everyone that has watched, liked, and subscribed. It really means a lot to me and I appreciate it a lot. And if you enjoyed today's video, leave a like, subscribe. Let's get right to it. You got one?
I saw I got one.
Oh,
I'm not white. I got.
Oh, go there. Reel it, reel it. Reel it, just reel it, reel it, reel it. Just reel it, just reel it.
I got one.
There you go, Isaiah. You got him. You got him, bro. Reel
Come
it.
on, you dumb man.
There you go, you got him. You got him. Got him. Reel it, reel it, reel it in, reel it in, reel it in. Just reel it in, reel it in. Oh my God. Hold on, hold on, hold on.
Yeah, bro. I couldn't fish.
There. There you go.
My first fish.
Your first fish on your own.
Yeah.
There you go. Take the hook out. Come on, bro.
Come on. Come on, Hook.
Do
Yeah.
do it hard, do it hard.
I'm trying.
Hold on by the mouth. There you go. Put it. Do hard, do hard, do hard. There you go. You got it? There you go. You got it.
Oh, this butt is big, G.
There you go.
Oh, oh.
Oh my God.
Stop. Stop. I'll let you go. My
Let
first
him, go let him go right here. Go let him go right here.
My first fish.
Yeah.
I'm so happy. By
So
my
happy.
own.
By your own.
Yeah.
I got it on camera too. There he goes.
Bye.
You want to keep on fishing here and I'll go on that side?
Yeah.
Or I'm going to go on that side.
When I catch a fish, I'll call you again.
Okay. Alright. It's a bass right there. So I'm going to be throwing around the weightless Senko. See if we could catch one.
I'll call you.
Okay. So there's some pretty big green sunfish in here. Oh, I'm getting by a little fish on. Oh, this is a decent sized one. This is a decent sized one. This is a nice one. Isaiah, I got one, bro. Oh, it's a big one, bro. It's a big one. It's a big one. It's, oh my God.
Oh.
All right, first fish for me.
Yeah.
It's a nice one.
Yeah, it's a really
Right by the
nice.
mouth.
Yeah. Can't even get him, bro. Where is this?
I don't know. Probably like a 1 pounder. Put him down slowly.
It is like a 6 pounder.
No, it's a 1 pounder right there.
Okay. This one.
Closest to. There you go.
Show the camera.
Show the camera.
That one go.
Yeah, let him go.
This guy is big,
He
baby.
was big. Go catch a big one.
Oh yeah, you can catch big ones.
That was a good first fish, especially from this place, because there's not really any big ones in here. Well, there is some bigger ones in here, but they're like a lot harder to catch. Yeah? There is some big green sunfish in here. So hopefully we could get one of those to show ya. Alright. They'll usually just get it on the fall or if you just dead stick it. Like just leave it there, they should get it. Yeah?
Be careful, it might be.
Alright, so after that first fish, I haven't gotten any bites. but my nephew has. He's lost 2 fish already. And I haven't even gotten a bite. Which is really... There's one. There's one. There's one. I got one idea. There you go. That's one of the... This is one of the green sunfish I told you about. These are big. Alright, so this is day number 2. The last clip I just saw, that was about 2 weeks ago. I came here with my nephew and the last fish we caught was over there. And it was that decent sized bass. Now I am back by myself. Hopefully we could catch some more fish today. I'm gonna be throwing around this little mini crankbait. Hopefully we could get a fish. One of the bigger bass in here. Alright, it is really hot today. So I don't know if that's gonna... There you go. First fish. And it's a green sunfish. Right. Fast release. Alright. That's a good first fish. Really happy with that. Now let's just... There you go, I got a bass. Alright, hopefully this could be a bass. Yep, I think this is a bass. Yep, it's a bass. Stay down. Oh, yep. It's a nice one. Oh, stay down, stay down, stay down. Ooh, he's barely hooked. Oh, he came off. He goes off over there. Oh my god. Oh, that really sucks. Sheesh. That was a nicer one. Oh, if we would have landed that bass, that would have been perfect. He was barely hugged. There you go. Hopefully, what is this? This is a bass. Come on. Stay on. Stay on. I'm gonna get tired out. I see him. Look how clear this water is. Alright, let's get him. Way smaller than the last one. Way smaller. Get the pliers out for this one. You gotta be careful when you're dealing with treble hooks, cause once they shake, those hooks could go into your hand, and that was not a great feeling. All right, so this is first bass, second fish of the day. Back he goes. All right, so that for the first bass, the one that came off, that one was way bigger than that one. All right, great, there you go. I don't know yet if I'm gonna go more in. I'll probably go more over there. Let me know if y'all want to see my nephew in more of my videos. See, I saw he caught his first fish by his own with a little mini jig from Strike King. I don't know if you could tell, but he was happy. He was happy. He sure loves to fish, like me. I don't like that. He's been fishing basically. Well, he hasn't been like. He's been fishing since he was like 2 years old. I mean, he knows how to cast a rod, and as y'all saw, he can take the hook out. I mean, most people can't do that. Which is really impressive, honestly. My grandma is really impressed that he could do that. So I moved up the creek. Hopefully we could catch more fish here. Alright, you really want to catch a bass. Oh my god, look at that fish. Jesus. That fish was like bright orange. Oh, look at the turtle. See if I can get the turtle. Get the turtle, get the turtle, get the turtle, get the turtle. Oh my god. Get the turtle. Get the turtle. Alright. Oh. We got a turtle. Whew. Alright, so I'm not trying to hurt this guy. Just so I can look at him and see him. Let me know what type of turtle this is. Cause I don't really know what type of turtle. I think it's, I don't know what type of turtle it is. I think it's a sniping turtle. He's fast though in the water. Alright. So we were back here, this spot. Alright, so we were back at this spot. Wow. Oh my god, that's a good bass. That's a good bass. Oh my god. Oh my god. See? Oh my god, he's barely hooked. He's barely hooked. He's barely hooked. I'm gonna flip him. I'm gonna flip him. I'm gonna flip him. There you go. Alright. Oh my god, he's barely hooked. Oh my god. Look at that guy. Look at that fish. Look, barely hooked. Barely hooked. Oh my god. Alright, so that's gonna be it for today's video. It was a pretty good day overall. We caught a couple fish and we got a turtle too, which was pretty cool. We caught all of our fish on this little mini crankbait. If you enjoyed today's video and want to see more videos like this where we fish creeks or where I fish creeks, leave a like, subscribe, share around with your family members, friends. Catch you on the next one.